Yeah, pretty nice roll.
Look at his spot for his sword.
Oh?
What the hell's going on?
That's pretty badass.
This is your bike?
No. Yeah, that's kind of cool. My dad had it.
How do I?
Vertical.
Good though, man. I've seen one of these. Graduated in 91, so about the year. 92. Okay. Yeah, I know. Me too. I had a 74 and 720 Economics back here. 50 rocket in it. Like, you know, 99.
Yeah. I heard right now it's just a prototype. It's not actually back. Yeah, it's not actually in production. So if that's the case. Hey, look, there's
old Cayman's.
there Cayman slug bug.
Cayman slug bug. Hey, Cayman with your slug
Hey,
bug.
y'all.
Hey, Cayman. Hey,
That looks like Cayman slug bug.
Hey, Cayman, pull my finger, bitch.
Honey, now settle down. Let's go see what the freebies are over here. Hi.
Right song at the right time.
What am I getting?
SOS Radio. It's Christian radio music. It's a good radio station. It's good for the soul.
What do I do with this?
It's like one of these, honey. It's like my Jesus, I trust in you. See,
Yes.
See how worn that is? Look how worn that
We
is.
only need one
No,
because
you don't.
she's my spiritual advisor, actually.
Well, he's your spiritual advisor.
She's quite the spiritual advisor.
Sure, but
I want to save it for somebody that doesn't have a spiritual.
He's the ultimate. He's everyone.
Oh, we all know that.
Yeah, he's everyone's.
Okay, come on, Pumpkin.
I'm gonna allow you to give that to somebody that needs it
Thank you.
You're welcome.
more than I.
Let's turn this around for some more of these cars.
I wish I wasn't so jacked up. I'd like to go.
Walk and see them all?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't even walk all the way to the other end. Yeah, we just didn't get Ruby entered in time, did we?
We weren't sure when.
Oh, look at the Impala. The two-door, I'll bet that's a 64 or 63. 64, I had it right the first time. Yeah, baby. Ready? looking at the 427 over there, Lunger.
What is this?
65 Shelby Cobra.
Just running around.
Right? Yep. You ready? You ready to go to our next secret destination? Because I'm getting a little hungry, honey.
Are we going to do that fish and chip, or are we going to do a surf and turf?
I want surf and turf, honey.
All right, let's go find it.
Come on. Hey y'all, it's Officer Karen Law Dog reporting live to subscribers only from a top secret location. Hold on, honey. We were meeting up with a off-the-books confidential informant, and if you've been
invited to a car show.
and we were invited to a car show. And if you know, you know. If you know why we're at this particular location. Where'd Charles go? Then you know, come on, Pumpkin. No time to sit down. We're going to the car.
I
Come
thought
on,
the
honey.
car's over there.
No, baby. It's up here, baby. Right up here by the casino pass. Come on, honey. You forgot. That's why Mama has to take care of you.
It goes from 10 to 9.
We just nabbed ourselves. What the hell's going on?
You know what to do, right?
Yep.
Point the rear right there.
Okay, honey. I just got permission that when we leave here to let everybody know that Ruby was here.
Because somebody wants to know that their car's here.
Yeah, so why can't everybody know that the hell that Ruby's
Back
here?
that motherfucker up right here.
Right
Split
here?
the- Oh, no, like. Right here.
Yep. So it
Don't
can
hit that-
reverberate.
Reverberate.
So we're gonna let everybody know that Ruby is here,
Still
folks, and
bitch
that
of
she's
all car
still
shows.
the bitch of all cars, even if she's not entered in the car show, folks.
But we had a couple little gigs, but you know what? We're back, Jack.
We're back. Okay, folks, we're gonna. Don't shut it, honey. Mama has to put her stuff in there now. Hold on. Here's our free bag, goodie bag. Let me make sure I have the fob.
You got the other fob?
We only took one.
No, the other fob.
Yes, honey, the other fob for the other car. Here,
Yeah.
put this in, not that in your pocket.
Good job with the fob.
Thank you, honey.
I'm a poet.
I'm gonna have to switch glasses, folks, because I'm not gonna be able to see now in these. Hold on, honey.
Where's my bitch camming at?
Honey, now stop.
Pull my finger out.
Honey, stop. Is your cell phone up there?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. No, there it is. Oh! What happens on a lockdown live for subscribers only is for subscribers only until we release it. But I think in all fairness, we had a faux pas. I told you, Facebook has a double click now. You start your live and you choose your audience, and then it actually gets ready to start, and you have to choose your audience a second time. And if you miss that second time, then you're live. We're public. And sometimes it's an accident.
Somebody looks like they're trying to go.
Oh yeah, they ain't squeezing. They ain't squeezing.
Yeah, you think you can get the back end up to that road close?
Yep.
And then do the 1, 2, 3?
Yep.
Look at me.
Yeah. We're going to check out now, folks. Enjoy your Friday night.
Oh, yeah, we're going downtown.
We're going downtown now to another location.
So we can get some
Tomorrow is another field trip. It's a field trip day. And then Sunday is another field trip.
Shit.
Yeah, where is it?
Yeah.
I want some.
Yeah.
I want some. I want some.
Ain't nobody want to share.
The hell? I thought sharing was caring.
Yeah. There's strength in numbers and nobody wants to share.
Yeah, the hell?
We can just say, yeah.
What the hell's going on here? Here, honey, put
But
your
when
shades
all
away.
else fails,
Oh, you got one too? Big dog, big dog, big dog. That's one of the ones. My name's Cameron.
What's up, Cameron? Follow the journey, Cameron.
That's right.
Hashtag follow the journey, Cameron.
That's a grand sport.
Hashtag follow the journey, Cameron.
Follow the journey.
Yes,
Yeah, absolutely.
oh yeah. No, you'll love it.
you'll love the journey.
You got the racing glove on?